Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Tuesday, September 16th. So, what's going on today? So, from forexfactory.com calendar, you can see that we have some red items from the for the US core retail sales, which just came out at 0.7% versus zero point 0.4. That is an increase. That's positive for the economy. Retail sales month over month is zero point 0.6 versus zero point 0.2 expected, and import prices were up zero point 0.3. That's a big swing from the minus zero point 0.2 that was expected. So bad number on import prices. And the other question that I have is, if import prices are going up, does that mean that if we buy the same amount of stuff that the retail sales will go up because of prices going up? There you go. So even though this looks like it's an increase in retail sales, the question is how much of that is attributable to the increase in import prices? Are we really buying more stuff, or is it just more expensive? So it looks like we're buying more stuff. Don't know. Market, of course, didn't react. It reacted initially down, but is now up. So we continue. The bad news is good news, and good news is good news. So we're all going up basically because we're waiting on the Fed on Wednesday. 9:15, we have capacity utilization rate, also industrial production month over month. At 10 a.m., we have business inventories month over month and a housing market index. And that's it for the day. So good amount of stuff to react to. So yeah, it's all good. Looking at the charts, I've switched over to the December contract. You can see we're above the moving averages. In fact, the 200-day moving average is way down here. We are getting a little bit far away from the 20-day, which makes me think we're going to rotate back down. You can see this 20-day is a magnet, and it rarely strays very far away. In fact, we're at a very far away. Probably the farthest we've been away from the from the 20-day moving average since way back here in July. So probably going to pull back and approach the 20-day moving average. Yeah, we're in nosebleed area up in here, all-time highs. Have no idea what that means other than we're going up. Potential support 66.61. There's a low volume node there. And of course, that low from a couple days ago, 66.3275. Looking at the inventory. Inventory yesterday was positive, correlated with price. The interesting part is it all happened in the last hour. If you had stopped at 3 o'clock, we'd have had negative inventory. So right at the very end on this last bar, we really had a lot of buyers coming in or short covering, however you want to look at it. But these are correlated, and we like it when they're correlated because that means the market is doing what it is supposed to do. Price goes up, inventory expands. That's what it's supposed to do. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 26 points. Again, up here in La La Land, yeah, is what it is. Use no way, no support resistance up here. Absolutely nothing. All we have is a Fibonacci number here, 66.74. Previous day's high, 66.81. Very, very little overnight low, 66.71. Yeah, so look at this. You have to go all the way down to 66.48 to have anything of interest. Below that, previous day low, 66.41. Man, we are so overextended. It's pathetic. Look, you have to get all the way down to 66.01 to get a Troy level, which means that there is not a lot of support. It means the market can have an air pocket. When we have a giant air pocket below us, we can have a pretty significant movement to the downside, even if it is only temporary, just to backfill the market structure. All right, that's all I've got. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 71.4. 71.4 is the percentage that the market probability it could go up today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. There you have it. See you guys tomorrow. Hope you have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.